Hi guys, welcome to the video. We're about to feed this buddy right here. Calm down, come here, look. Calm down. Ow! Bit me. He is hungry. There guys.
I don't know where you want it at. Yeah, you just reach in and grab it. You're going to need more lettuce. So.
What's up, buddy?
Just open the cage door. Unlatch it. You won't unlatch it. Now pull it. Go ahead and pull it down. Now move. Move, asshole.
Well, move, but.
Okay. You have to hold it down and do it.
Okay.
Put the lettuce that's in this bag that's already chopped up, put that in, and then open this up and pull apart some more and put it in. And then over here, you can put it in there.
I'll set you guys up. I hope you're still recording. Well, I'm still recording. It's feeding time, but just put all of it in the cut up lettuce.
Yeah. Come on, Moose, get out of here. Now you're just in the way. Get out.
Come on, buddy. Gotta get out of
He
here.
wants to eat too.
Want me to feed him? If
If you want, you grab his bowl, put 3 scoops in. 3 scoops.
Feeding the rabbit and the dog. That's what I'm going to name this video. Feeding the rabbit and the dude. How many shards should I pull off?
Just enough to like put a good amount in the bowl, fill up the bowl a little bit.
I'm saying about, it looks about 4.
You don't have to do it like that. Just rip out a handful, Brig. Don't grab your fingers, but yeah, just pull it apart like that.
Uh-oh.
Moose! You're making a mess, dude. Why don't you pick it up when you're done? That's good.
I gotta throw that away. Whew! I have trouble. I need you to put this however you have this. I don't know how you have this. This goes in the trash. Not these. I'll top that off real quick, but with a nice little snap of carrot. Should I put some hay in there?
I don't have any. Or I would tell you, yeah, because he needs hay bad. He really needs hay.
And then, there we go. I got his food ready, Mama.
Alright.
Look how I got his food.
Yep. Now you know you gotta let him take a piece before you can put the bowl in there. Hey, back up, asshole.
Piece of lettuce.
That's what you started. Which now what you do is this, watch.
He's straight.
If not, he'll try to bite you.
So, we put the bowl to the door. He takes the piece out, takes off with it right here, and eats it. Then we put the bowl in. And now, here we are cooking.
You get Moose's bowl.
Yep.
You put 3 scoops of food in it, and then you
have
grab that little glass thing and now do the water.
Yep. Where's the little glass thing? It's not in here.
Right here.
Hold on. I'm gonna turn on the lights, Ma. Friends, dog bowl for food. Subscribe. We got this little thing. How many? 3 scoops?
They're good scoops. You can hold it in your hand, let it overflow.
Can't hold it in my hand. I got 2 things to hold. One more?
Tiny scoops. There you go. And then do his water.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. There you go, buddy. Now let's grab your water bowl real quick. Be back, buddy. Water bowl time. Hey, hey. What? Uh-oh. I'll make it sit. Oh, it's already filled? What?
Just dump it out. I don't know how good that was. So just dump that.
Is our thingies ready
Cold water. What thingy?
from last night?
They might be ready, but when we get the dinero, we can get some out.
Yeah. My mom's into her little casino kind of crap. That's why I can't make this video that long.
It's fine.
I'm gonna put. Grab you real quick. Never hold the camera like this. Got brand new water in here. We put his water cup. That little thing. You see it when I go over there. I will grab it. There you go, dude. So we use this thing. And we pour it in there. We keep it right here. But I'm guessing who? James moved it probably? I'll turn this
Yeah,
off.
probably just got left in there when you get breakfast.
There he goes. Ham on his food. Hungry as again. We need anything else to be chopped up? I'm ready to chop.
Nope. Actually, I got it all done. You waited too long, or I would have had to help me chop potatoes.
I could have made a video of you chopping some potatoes. Add some carrots with that. Let's use one of these carrots and cut them.
No. There's no carrots in there.
He's mean.
Carrot.
At least we can get it 6 minutes long. Yeah. By the way, go to my channel. I'm gonna be making F17 video, baby. Yay! Doing some bales. Yay! And have a great one. Bing. Hit that like and subscribe. Bye.